Hello, welcome to our home. I'm Jason. I live in this 5-room HDB flat with my wife
Hello, I'm Vivian.
and our 11-year-old son.
Hi, I'm Kaylin.
I'm a freelance digital media designer. So as a designer, I like to try new things and I decided to be my own interior designer. The color palette is very basic, primarily white, grey and black for accent. I also use a lot of light wood textures around the house to give a feeling of warmth and comfort. The study area is an important place since I work from home, and this is like my mini design studio. I use grey floor tiles in the study area to visually separate the space between the living area. An interesting note is that the design of the house started with this unique geometric shaped bookshelf. The geometric shape would become the central theme of my design, and you see these geometric patterns repeated around the house. We decided early on that we wanted an open kitchen concept, so the kitchen wall was completely hacked away. We were able to have this long kitchen island here to serve as our washing and food preparation area. Most of the time, the three of us do not need a very big dining table that takes up excessive space, but occasionally we do need more seating capacity when we have guests over. I'm very particular about the design of the doors in the house. I want them to blend in or simply disappear. The first thing you will notice is the open concept master bathroom. The entire wall is replaced with a glass partition and a glass sliding door.
I like my room because this is where I study, play, read, draw, and imagine. My daddy has designed a ton of storage space for my toys and books.
Our bedroom is where we rest our mind and body, so we like to keep it simple and uncluttered. We have plenty of storage here. A large L-shaped wardrobe with double bifold doors that opens wide enough to walk in.